Hello friends, Nidhi here, and it's that time of the week again. We are here with you with another exciting recipe called Anjeer, Kesar, Rabri. As many of us already know, Anjeer falls in the dry fruit category and it is also known as fig. I would like to be honest with you here. I've heard of Rabri and I've had it many times. But Anjeer Rabri? Sounds quite exciting. Let us now see how to make this amazingly mouth-watering recipe. But before that, our dear friend Gunj has something to share with us.
Anjeer, one of the richest dry fruit. Anjeer contains lots of soluble and non-soluble fibers, which not only gives nutrition to our body but also helps to cure our constipation problem. आज की हमारी रेसिपी में हमने अंजीर का मुरब्बा बना करके उसे यूज करने की कोशिश की। इस मुरब्बे को आप पराठे के साथ भी यूज कर सकते हैं और अगर हम इसका मिल्क शेक बना के पिए तो ये इक्वली न्यूट्रिशियस है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की रेसिपी अंजीर केसर रबड़ी।
liked it as much as I did and found it as exciting. So you know what? I can't wait any longer. I'm gonna go and try make this recipe right now. And I hope you'll do the same. So till next time, thank you so much. Have a great day. Next week, same day, Thursday, we'll come with another exciting recipe. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.